Never had an issue until right now.
Okay.
Just came home and then took a shower, and then all of a sudden it was cold.
All right.
But it's starting to get cold out here, huh?
Yeah, it's starting to happen for sure.
It's coming up blue. Did it come up blue for you?
Yeah, it did, and then once you go to light it, it will ignite.
Oh, okay.
As long as you're holding that pilot down. But once you release it to go up to the burner, it just cuts out.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, I've done all the tests. I went through YouTube and just from guessing, I don't have my multimeter, nothing to check the voltage on the thermopile, but that's gonna be my guess. But I'll stay out of it. That's why I called you, I guess.
Yeah. I don't know. It came up pretty fast. So when they come up fast like that, they're usually pretty healthy.
And is
Probably your valve or the circuit board.
the circuit board on it?
Yeah, it's not flat. It's not throwing any red errors, but that's that's okay. So I got this little cheater box for the
Kind of jump the.
yeah, it just gets it a healthy thermopile right away.
Okay.
So
Eliminate that.
I can kind of roll that out pretty quickly.
Okay.
Yeah. So see, it's still going out. So that means it's not the thermopile.
Okay.
We'll change the circuit board and see if it still does it. I had one like this I was working on last night that was doing the same stupid stuff on me.
Was it the gas valve it ended up being?
No, I thought it was the gas valve. It kept telling me it was the gas valve.
I mean, we called in on this because
Okay, so I had some luck finally testing ohm on with this meter. So before I replace the valve, you gotta let it sit. Oops. You gotta let the stupid thing sit here for a little bit, and then put it down to 2K. And then everything's always 11. Always perfectly 11. Between 11 and 13 is what you want. They all come back 11. Every single one of them. Well, one of them was like 975. Anyway, we'll try replacing the valve. So we can't get the pilot light to hold. So we can't get the pilot light to hold. Change the circuit board. It held, the burner came on but then went out. So we're kind of left with the valve here. Or it's blowing itself out somehow. So I checked the main gas supply line. It didn't seem like it was clogged. And then the chamber sensor is a little bit loose. Okay, let's see pilot.
Stop it. You need to knock it off. I know. Stop.
Ankle biters?
No, she's
Oh.
she just hard.
Ah. Alright, success.
Got it done?
Got her done. Alright, so just finishing up that video. It was basically a bad valve. So it would come up normal operation. You'd go to turn the water heater on and it would run for a second or two, not even that long, and then it would just go out right away. So I changed the circuit board. It seemed to stay on a little bit longer, but basically it wasn't holding the pilot flame, or it would hold the pilot flame, and then the valve would kick over and it would go out. So I checked that we had gas, cleared that line out a couple times, and changed the valve and put the replacement valve in, put the old circuit board or cover back on, and checked everything to make sure that nothing was blocked anywhere. Sometimes that main line from the gas valve to the burner, like the main burner line, can actually get some debris or something in there, and it kind of clogs at the end of the orifice. But it wasn't that, and it came up right away, and now they got hot water, and we're on our way back to the yard to try and get some more tanks going for people. Anyway, thank you for watching. Got plenty of videos on my site, over 250, lots of service calls, installations, tips and tricks. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your weekend and have a great day.
No, no, yo no fui.